Ellie, what are you doing there then, love? What's that on your head? Ellie, what have you got on your head, love? Look at Mummy. Have you put a DVD case on your head? Oh. Oh, right. You meant to put DVDs in there. It's not a hat. Well, I suppose it can be a hat if you want it to be, love. What are you reading? Are you alright? You alright? Yeah, alright then, love. You just sit there reading your paperwork with a DVD case on your head.